Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok comments is not showing the comments. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. There might be many reasons that might cause this issue. The first one is the internet connection. So make sure to check that you are properly connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile network. And if your network connection is properly connected, now go to your settings and privacy, and from there click to this activity center. And now after coming into activity center, you can find this comment history into here. You can see comments from the comment history. And after that, if it's still not showing your older or newer or any comments section, you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will see this sketch and cellular option, and you can find free up space into this section. Click into that free up space, and after that just simply try clearing your cache, and in order to do that just simply tap into this clear button and then confirm the clearance. Then your cache will be cleared and your comments will start to show again at most cases. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.